Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I am back with another vlog after a long time, and this vlog is going to be a travel vlog because I recently traveled to Himachal Pradesh with my family and I had a lots of fun. Like we saw many beautiful prettiest views of my entire life. Like we saw mountains and we saw the snow peaks, we saw the Himalayan ranges, and it was just so beautiful. Like it was so mesmerizing, and we had a lots of fun. So I thought to share this journey with you guys, and I recorded some clips of the places we went to, the things we saw, the things we ate. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and I hope this video gets my message through with you people of never forgetting to have fun. Like have fun at any costs. Like even if you're alone or with your friends or family, never even forget to have fun. So yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you.